Hello Ninjabbers! Welcome once again to my channel. This is Sir Job and welcome to my golden life. So magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Today is Monday and October 31st, 2022. It's a celebration of Halloween to all countries na nagsiselebrate at naniniwala po sa Halloween. But dito sa Taiwan, wala pong ganong celebration, although itinuturo namin siya, pero wala po silang ganong celebration dito. So for today's video, Golden Choppers, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kanilang ginawa na new installation ng aking projector here. Kasi di ba nasabi ko sa inyo before na medyo nagkaroon tayo ng problem with our projector kasi nga hindi na siya visible, like the pictures and other parts of the presentation medyo na-compromise na siya. So sinabi ko ito sa school, and diba sabi ko nga sa inyo na dito sa Taiwan automatically nagre-respond po talaga ang school sa lahat ng mga needs natin for as long as this is for educational purposes. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, pinalitan nila ang aking PC kasi nasira na rin, hindi na masyadong magpa-function, may mga parts na hindi nagpa-function, so automatically napalitan na rin po ang ating personal computer here. Okay, medyo larger to the bones tayo ngayon, Golden Choppers, kasi ang dami kong kailangang i-prepare like last night. So medyo natapos natin siya, na-conquer natin, pero of course kailangan natin mag-suffer sa ating mukha ngayon. But definitely tonight, kasi tapos ko na naman i-prepare ang mga PowerPoint ko for this week. Okay, I think for Thursday I need to prepare another one, but for today until Wednesday I already have my PowerPoint presentation and na-define ang aking classes, so no need to be afraid about it. So parang ready na tayo for the 3 days nating discussion. Okay? So sa ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mukha ng bago nilang projector na nilagay dito sa aking room. Okay? Hindi ko muna ipapakita sa inyo yung buong room kasi meron tayong araw niyan kasi nagpaplano pa ako mag-decorate sa aking classroom mismo. But sa ngayon, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang aking projector and yung bago nilang binigay sa akin na pwede kong magamit for my lesson. So don't go away, Golden Choppers. Panoorin niyo po kung gaano kahalaga sa kanila dito ang learning ng mga estudyante na everything that you need for your delivery of instruction or for the learning process of the students. Taiwan government is ready to give you that one. Yeah, so I have to show you now, okay, the new projector that they installed to my classroom. Let's take a look. Hello once again, Golden Choppers. So I am now facing, okay, nandito ako ngayon nakaupo sa aking chair. Yan ang aking personal computer, okay? And eto yung front ng aking room. Take a look at that, okay? Dati po, itong screen na to ang aking ginagamit. Okay, yung nakikita ninyo ngayon na screen, this is whiteboard. I think you are familiar on this one. You can use this one also for using marker, right? Okay, whiteboard marker. And this one actually is a touch screen. However, yan, this one is a touch screen. However, hindi ko na siya magamit ngayon kasi may nagka-problema ang ating computer connection and everything else. Okay? And the second one na nasira is ating projector. So definitely I cannot use that one. Okay, na maganda yung quality. Pwede siyang gamitin pero hindi maganda yung quality. So ngayon is nag-install sila sa akin ng bagong projector. So first is yung nakikita ninyong high vision ngayon. Look at that. Okay, hanggang patungo doon yan. Yan po ang ating panibagong screen ngayon. Okay, and the new projector is there. Okay, can you see the projector? Yeah. So, in-on ko na po yung projector. Actually, medyo tumaas ngayon ang ano ng projector. So, I need to, to use a stool to switch on the projector now. Kasi noon, maaabot ko lang siya. Pero ngayon, hindi ko na siya kayang abutin kasi medyo tumaas yung level ng ating projector. So, that's the new projector na inilagay nila sa room ko. And this is the new screen. Okay? So, now, let's try to use the screen, okay, and let's take a look also the projector. Okay, this is now the switch. This is the up button and the down button and stop if you want. So let's try to click this one to see the screen. Have you heard that sound? Okay. The screen is now gradually moving down, and okay, let us control here. Okay, go back to here because we want to control, click the stop. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, I click the stop, and now this is the projector, how it looks like. Look at that. Okay, that's the projector. By the way, aside from the whiteboard here in Taiwan, you also have your blackboard or the green board. Usually you can see that one in Philippines. So here meron ka pa rin ganyan, and available yung mga chalks. Look at that. Ang daming chalks. Sorry, hindi ko pa siya na-arrange. So makikita nyo hindi siya masyadong arrange. So ready na ang ating projector, Golden Choppers. Ayan, makikita nyo yan. Ito na yung gagamitin ko bukas. So I have to I have to visit now my PowerPoint and go to my drive, okay, and click my PowerPoint presentation. I'm looking for the other slides. Oh, but I can't find them anymore. So I think I have to use this one, the one that I used today for my lesson. And let's click the one that has picture, like this one. Okay, and then make a slideshow. Oh my goodness, wait, I can't see anything here. What's the point of the I think, wait. Oh, I'm very sorry, Golden Choppers. We cut off the video a while ago because hindi ko makita yung screen. Kailangan pa palang pindutin doon sa projector. So, nanibago tayo. So, this is our screen right now. I have to slideshow. Make it slideshow. Okay, so we could be able to see the exact one. So even if there's a light, kasi my problem in this room is I could not be able to project exactly the picture if there is a light here, okay, at the front area of the room. So now we could be able to see that even if there's light, we could be able to see exactly what's on the screen, okay? So that's how big the screen, if I'm going to discuss my lesson. Yeah, that's actually my topic. So let's try to switch off the light and let us see the changes that it might bring. This is for the projector. I'm sorry if you are, yeah, this is for the projector. I know, this is for the projector and this is for the light, okay? For the front area. So I have to switch this off, okay? And now we can see the screen better. Look at that. Okay, look at exactly, yeah. We can now see the picture. So I think actually in this country, we only need to provide them basic of PowerPoint. For other teachers, they are preparing much, but on my case, as long as you projected the picture and the basic words there, like the basic information from the picture that describes the picture, something like that. So it's finally okay. It's fine. Okay, it's totally fine. So this is the example now, and finally problem solved because students can now see the screen properly. So yeah, I wanna express to you that outside, yan, I'm gonna show you a glimpse of the outside world. Actually here in Taiwan, it's rainy day. Like, I don't know if, it's another problem for me to go home because it's raining, you know. But this is the point of our video this afternoon. I am just showing to you that starting tomorrow, I will be using the PowerPoint, the new projector that they provided me, and better lesson. Yeah, I could be able to deliver exactly my lesson tomorrow. Yan. So, hindi mo na ako mapapakita sa inyo ng Golden Choppers kasi medyo pangit tayo ngayon. So maybe tomorrow I will just have to switch off the light at the front area and we could have an amazing projector, an amazing class discussion, right? So I have now to switch this off. I will show you how, hoping we could not be able to get a problem. Okay, so now you can't see anymore anything here on screen, and then I have to switch up, click up, yeah, and the screen is now going up, okay, to fix everything. Yeah, so if you want to write something on the screen on the whiteboard, then you can do so. If you want, markers are here also. Now you are provided with everything, and the whiteboard is there. I mean, the green board is there, and yeah, it's finally fixed. Exactly. So that's how beautiful classrooms here in Taiwan that you can expect of a meaningful learning and a quality education for all students, because research shows that most of the students can learn properly if they can see a picture or they can visualize something. So that is also the goal here in Taiwan. That's why Bureau of Education here invested a lot for learning, and this is one of the manifestation. If you can see this one, yeah, you can really assess that they are investing too much for education, and quite different from our country, from my country, Philippines, to be honest. So it's so sad to imagine that in my country, Philippines, we don't have like this. We need to, cry for the parents just to buy television in a very small inches like that. But here in Taiwan, you don't need to get any amount from your pocket. The government, or the government, particularly the Ministry of Education, will provide you everything you need, including the internet. And on my next video, we will discuss that recently I learned about the internet here in Taiwan, and very interesting for you to know, especially people in the Philippines. So I think that would be all for today's video. I am just sharing to you everything what I have today, and the new installation of the projector. Yay! Problem solved. Problem solved po tayo ngayong Golden Chambers, kasi meron na tayong new projector, and we can use for our lesson tomorrow and the rest of the day. So I think that will be all for today's video, Golden Choppers. See you once again for another video. I hope that you will continue to watch all the videos that I already uploaded from my YouTube channel. Goodbye!